Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. We're at day 11 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and I have a special guest with me today, my son,
Colin.
Colin. Okay, forgot your name there. All right, so before I get to this prize, and we got an amazing prize for you today. Man, I love this thing. We're going to do something different today. Normally, I tell a joke, and then you guys laugh or you moan or whatever. Today, we're going to do a joke-orama. We're going to try and get each other laughing by telling some jokes. Now, do you want me to go first, or do you want to go first?
You go first.
I'll go first, okay. First joke. I gotta get my glasses out. Hold on. Oh, they're in my pocket. All right, hold on. What does Rudolph want for Christmas?
I don't know. You tell me.
A pony sleigh station. Did I get a smirk? I got a smirk. All right, good. You go ahead. What's your first one? Give me your best.
Why'd the red-nosed reindeer help the old lady cross the road?
I have no idea.
It would have been Rudolph him not to.
Rudolph, I'm not to be. All right, that's pretty good. All right, this one's pretty corny. Where does a snowman leave his money?
Where?
In a snowbank. Go ahead.
Well, how much did Santa pay for his sleigh?
I couldn't even hazard a guess.
Nothing. It was on the house.
All right, the last one. This is my killer joke. Are you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
All right. This came from a viewer. What month does a Christmas tree hate the most?
Which one?
September.
Oh, no. That's the worst one on the list.
This is my favorite. All right, give me your last one.
Well, what do you do, or what do you get if you eat Christmas decorations?
This one sounds familiar, but I don't remember the punchline. Go ahead.
Tinselitis.
All right, so those are the jokes, and it's on you guys because you sent them in. All right, so before I get to the actual giveaway here, I want to talk about this product. This came from a company called DroneMask, which is a brilliant company that's invented a VR set of goggles. Now, you haven't tried these yet, have you?
No, I haven't.
Oh, we're going to give you some try on these. Anyway, these are VR goggles, and they're different than other goggles because DJI goggles and other goggles are married to a drone. These, you basically use your phone. You don't have to worry about binocular vision or anything like that. It just basically magnifies the image that's on your screen. So you can use these to fly FPV on any drone. Isn't that amazing?
Cool.
That's pretty cool. You can watch movies on them. You can do all kinds of cool things with them. And the company was good enough to send us a pair of these to give away as part of the Christmas giveaways. So we're going to do that in a second. Now, the contest could not be easier. You basically go down the bottom. You'll find a link. You click the link on your browser, right? Click that link. It'll open up a form. And in that form, you put your email and your username on YouTube. And then we'll close our eyes. We'll put the mask on. We'll close our eyes and actually pull a winner out of the list after 7 days, and we'll send you an email saying, hey, you won the product. Now, I don't care where in the world you live. I've been looking into a lot of funny names around the country, and I found another one. This is pretty cool. This town's name is called Monkey's Eyebrow, Kentucky.
Monkey's Eyebrow,
That's
Kentucky.
Right. Have you any idea what they call it that?
Why?
Because when you look at it from the sky, it looks like a monkey's head, and this little town is right where the eyebrow would be.
Really?
Yeah, so I thought that was pretty cool. But wait a minute, it gets better. Their sign is the monkey, and I'm not picking on the town, it's a good town. Monkey's Eyebrow, Kentucky. It's the goose capital of mid-America. Now, could you be more specific with that?
That's a heck of a status to hold.
That's the best you could come up with, goose capital. So there must be a lot of goose there.
Yeah.
But it isn't goose, it's geese. Wouldn't it be geese capital of them? You've got more than one of them. And if it's a capital, do they have a government? Do they vote? Like,
well, there's just one goose there, and he's
one big fat goose sitting there. All right, he's the king goose. All right.
Goose.
I also would dispute that they had to be specific and say mid-America. Like, is there an East Coast capital?
There's a goose capital over here, and there's one on the west, too.
Now we're going to have to look into that. I don't know. Yeah. All right, so you could be from wait a minute, you could be from Monkey's Eyebrow, Kentucky, and it sounds like a beautiful place. We're going to have to go there now. No, I'm talking and making fun of it. But anyway, if you're from there, you could be from anywhere in the world. We don't care. We're going to ship it to you free of charge. Just enter the contest. There's no strings attached, no shenanigans. We don't charge for shipping. He's going to run it to the post office to actually mail it to you. So he's not responsible to get it to you. And that's pretty much it. So thanks an awful lot for watching today. I had a lot of fun. Did you have a lot of fun?
I had a lot of fun.
The other thing is goose or geese? Which is it?
It's geese.
What if you had one?
Well, it's goose.
You didn't see that one coming. Anyway, that's it for today. So, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, or until tomorrow, happy flying.